Alright, I'm going out with some shoes that I made. We're going to see how they work. Could be help out a lot, or what would have been, I suppose, just an enjoyable couple hours sitting on the couch with my mom watching Travel Channel. Alright, let's see. I'll get these on. So I got some snowshoes I made here, and an old rake, some coat hangers, and some rope, and I seem to be able to get around a little bit in them, which is pretty cool. There's some places in here with the drift it gets up to 7 feet with all the wind blew it around, and the wonderful path we had dug is no longer there, so I'm trying to get out to my car, which is at the end of the driveway. It's about 2.5 blocks or so. It's 2010, January 11th, I believe, and had a successful snowshoeing experience.